Hello everybody. So today we have to learn how to comment and uncomment in Eclipse. If you want to uncomment or if you want to comment these two lines, just to select that part. Let's see and comment all this and click Ctrl Shift forward slash. Let's see. These all two lines are commented. And for uncommented, we have to again select this part and type Ctrl Shift forward slash. This is for the multi-line comment. If you want to add a single line comment, then also you have to select the single line and just type Ctrl Shift forward slash, and for removing Ctrl Shift backward slash. And if you want to see all the list in Eclipse IDE to add the multiple features in Eclipse, and for that shortcuts, let's type Ctrl Shift L, and here you can see the all the shortcuts. Let's for the import Ctrl Shift M, text block Ctrl Shift plus, and instances Ctrl Shift N, like that you have to see and use it and improve your performance. Thank you.